Take a deep breath and switch off your ego. Remember that. If you are easily offended, you'll be easily manipulated. Hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. One of the greatest awakenings comes when you realize that not everybody changes. Some people never change, and that's their journey. It's not yours to try to fix them. Be soft. Don't let the world make you hard. Don't let pain make you hate. Don't let bitterness steal your sweetness. Life is a long journey between human beings and being human. Let's take at least a step daily to cover the distance. Psychology says people choose a person over you, and when they have no one else, they try to come running back to you. Be careful of them. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Give yourself permission to immediately walk away from anything that gives you bad vibes. There is no need to explain or make sense of it. Just trust the little inner voice when it's telling you. Too often we underestimate the power of a touch, a smile, a kind word, a listening ear, an honest compliment, or the smallest act of caring, all of which have the potential to turn a life around. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Motivate yourself. Don't listen to those people who only see your mistakes and criticize you. Once the trust is broken, it'll never feel as pure as it used to feel. It's going to be hard, but hard doesn't mean it's impossible. You'd never invite a thief into your house, so why would you allow thoughts that steal your joy to make themselves at home in your mind? Remember this, when seeking relationships, you're looking for an equal, not a project. You're looking for someone who takes care of themselves and has the capacity to take care of you too. Someone on your level that you can respect, and vice versa. Don't fall in love with potential. He who digs a grave for his enemy might as well be digging it for himself. Accept both compliments and criticism. It takes both sun and rain for a flower to grow. A study suggests that teenagers take more risks because the adolescent brain is hyper-motivated when it comes to receiving rewards. When someone ignores you, but still supports you silently, it means you've hurt them, but they still love you. 3 ways to make any woman miss you badly, even if she's not interested. 1. Don't contact her. 2. Show her you are still living your life. 3. Talk to other girls in front of her in order to make her feel jealous. People with left-handedness have a better sense of hearing. 5 obvious signs that a person likes you more than you think. First, they do their best to make you a part of their life. Second, they're going out of their way to impress you. Third, they introduce you to their family and friends. Fourth, their behavior is consistent. Fifth, their body language supports their words. Please consider supporting us by giving the video a like and sharing it. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell